So this is one of my favorite brands, Lumary, and I want to show you these wall lights, Sconces, and they're called Sconces because these little lights look like candle holders. So you get 7 lights, and it has lights on both sides, so you actually get 14 lights. So all you have to do is plug them in. You can control them from here. You can control them from your phone on the app, or there's a remote control. So each one already has this little sticker. You take it off and you stick it on the wall wherever you want to put them. And they're easy to come off. This thing just slides right off and you put it back on. If you want to screw them on, you also have this option. So it has the screws and these little plastics. It also has extra adhesives. So highly recommend this. Let's go plug them in so you can see how they look.
All right, let's take a look at the application itself. And I have the application open right here. We're going to turn on the lights so you guys can see them on. Right? And I'm putting another camera in here so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. Let's log in. First of all, we're going to do rainbow colors and so forth. There's a lot of templates in here that you can use for this application. It's very simple to use too also. Once you install it and integrate it with the actual phone app, you're able to make the changes that I'm doing here. Now, if you're not into the rainbow colors and you just want solid colors, you can do that. If you guys see soft tone colors, bright colors, and so forth. So you have options to do even audio music. So if you're playing music around your house, or you're just speaking to it and it's automatic and it changes to different. Depends on the actual template that you select. You can integrate it with it. So a lot of things out of here. There's a lot more options. You could integrate this with your Google Home or Alexa. I currently have it with my home, so anytime I say hey, game room on, it turns on, and pretty much all that stuff happens. Now, I like to select rainbow colors or different colors to line it up, show up in the background, and they look very, very welcoming. It gives a great ambiance to your room, any man cave, any place. If you're watching TV or game rooms, this is pretty much a setup that you want to set up. So